Welcome, Matthew, to class today on this Friday, the 27th. Hope you have studied for your test. Hope you're ready for your test. Let's go ahead and look at some announcements here, and then we'll take a look at your test for today. All right, here we go. Please listen carefully. You are responsible for these announcements. First of all, we'll probably have a quiz next week on a Saturday for you. Okay, so probably a quiz next week. Stay on top of your videos and homework, please. Remember, Matthew, this class is set up for you to watch your videos every day and do your homework every day. Just like if you were in college or high school and college, it's not that far away for you. It's not that far away from where you are. So please try to do this correctly if you can. Next, your test is due Tuesday, along with your homework from Chapter 9 and also your review sheet. Now, if you don't do your review sheet, then of course you don't get the 5 bonus points and the homework. If you don't do all the homework, you get low homework grades, and also you don't get 5 bonus points on your upcoming quiz. So please keep that in mind. Schedule, you're going to take a test today, and that's it. So Matthew, let's go ahead and go over your test. At this time, if you've not printed your test, I would pause the video, I would print your test, and then restart the video, okay? Alright, let's go ahead and go over your test at this time. Now, Matthew, numbers 1 through 6 here, obviously you're fill in the blanks, okay? Alright, number 7, write a similar statement using all 3 triangles. Now here's what I mean, okay? You would write triangle JKL is similar to triangle KLH is similar to triangle JKH, okay? So you have a little triangle here, a little triangle here, and a big triangle here, okay? All 3 of those triangles are similar. I want you to write a similar statement and make sure your letters are lined up correctly. When I just read those letters a second ago, I was not lining those up, okay? I was just saying, hypothetically speaking. So for your answer here, you want triangle JKL, I guess we'll say, is similar to triangle KLH is similar to triangle JKH, okay? So you've got to write a similar statement here using all 3 triangles, alright? Use this triangle here for numbers 8 through 15, okay? So I won't go into great details on those, except to say you're either going to use geometric means to solve these or Pythagorean theorem, okay? So one of those 2 ways will be used on all of these problems, okay? Alright, for numbers 16, 17, and 18, notice one of the triangles is acute, one of these 3 triangles is obtuse, and one of these 3 triangles is a right triangle. I have given you the lengths of the 3 sides. Tell what each triangle is. You must show work. Now, Matthew, I left you a little work right here, but to be honest with you, it doesn't take a lot of work, a lot of space for the work, so you can probably use the space right in here for your work, okay? So be sure and show your work and tell me which one of these triangles is a right triangle, excuse me for yawning, which one of these triangles is an obtuse triangle, and which one of these triangles is an acute triangle. Also, Matthew, don't forget, I have not lined your sides up, notice, necessarily from smallest side to longest side, so keep that in mind, okay? Alright, number 19, use the triangle below right here to find the sine, cosine, and tangent of angle A. Remember, Matthew, no denominators in your final answer can have a radical, so if that happens, you have to rationalize your denominator, okay? Alright, moving on to numbers 20 and 21. Number 20, use the parallelogram to the right to find the values of x and y, and same thing for number 21, use the parallelogram to the right to find the values of x and y, okay? Alright, moving on. For numbers 22 and 23, solve the right triangles. So now, here's what I did, Matthew. You say, Mr. Erhard, there's no blanks for my answer. That's okay. On your test, when you find this angle right here, then put the angle, let's say it's 40 degrees, then put a 40 right here in the triangle, 40 degrees. Let's say when you solve for this angle here, it's 30 degrees, put 30 degrees right here. Let's say when you solve this side right here, it's 14, put a 14 right here. So when you solve for this side right here, put whatever number it is. When you solve for this side here, put whatever number it is right here. And then when you solve for this angle, put it right here. So just put your answers inside the triangle or on the correct side that it goes to, okay? And then lastly, here's a proof I've thrown at you. So see if you can solve that, okay? It'll be a good challenge for you. Work hard at it, and hopefully you'll do okay on that. I will grade fairly, okay? That's it, Matthew. If you have any questions, questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Have a great weekend. Please work hard on your test. And again, contact me if you have any questions.